Wake up early in the morning.
Wake up early in the morning.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Do exercise.
Do exercise.
Wash your hands before meals.
Wash your hands before meals.
Eat a healthy breakfast.
Eat a healthy breakfast.
Drink plenty of water.
Drink plenty of water.
Pack your school bag.
Pack your school bag.
Say, please, and thank you.
Say please and thank you.
Finish your homework on time.
Finish your homework on time.
Share with others.
Share with others.
Read books daily.
Read books daily.
Be kind to animals.
Be kind to animals.
Help with household chores.
Help with household chores.
Keep your room tidy.
Keep your room tidy.
Brush your hair.
Brush your hair.
Wash your face daily.
Wash your face daily.
Don't waste food.
Don't waste food.
Help care for pets.
Help care for pets.
Be quiet in the library.
Be quiet in the library.
Take a bath daily.
Take a bath daily.
Wear a hat.
Wear a hat.
Water the plants regularly.
Water the plants regularly.
Sing a song.
Sing a song.
Play a game.
Play a game.
Listen a music.
Listen a music.
Swim in the pool.
Swim in the pool.
Play a tennis.
Play a tennis.
Ride a bike.
Ride a bike.
Take a picture.
Take a picture.
Hug each other.
Hug each other.
Cook a food.
Cook a food.
Make a call.
Make a call.
Eat a noodle.
Eat a noodle.